You got it in? Yeah.
Can't jam it around. There's the first one.
Okay. That's a lot sturdier. Oh, you're talking about these conduit? I told you we only needed 4.
I put one up in the attic.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, only 3.
Mm.
Okay, grab it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Potatoes, watermelon, tomatoes, tomatoes, bell peppers, jalapenos. One of them's jalapeno. No, sweet peppers, jalapenos. More tomatoes. More tomatoes. Pepperoncini. Cucumbers. Cherry tomatoes. How my lettuce doing? Well, it's starting to pop up. Not too quickly, though. That last cherry tomato over here in the corner, that's the one from I planted the cherry tomatoes itself in the dirt. Okay, Shelly didn't like the way I had it before with the poly tubes. So we went out and bought some conduct, some furring strips, 1 by 2 inches. And of course, the netting I had. Now I got to figure out a way to anchor it down without the wind blowing open. Should keep most of the bugs out. Just for this in here. I got to do some more work on it. But anyway, that's what we come up with. It's a lot more sturdier. Didn't want to spend all the money, but want to make things work. I guess you have to. So this is what we got here. So we have, these are the tomato plants I grew over winter. I put them, in a tub of dirt in a dark, cool area over the winter, water during the spring. And I have 4, came up with 2 now. These are tomatoes we got to restake. These are jalapeno peppers. Get a closer look here. This is sweet peppers, green bell peppers, more tomatoes, and watermelon. Too close. And these are our potatoes we grew from seed potatoes. Pepperoncinis, cucumbers, which will grow up on the trellis, cherry tomatoes. That back cherry tomatoes there, I grew that the Amish way in a cool dark place and some dirt. I should have a whole lot of lettuce last year. This year I'm not doing no good on lettuce. My lettuce sucks. But I'm trying to grow some more. Anyway. That's all I got for you right now. Hope you like what I have here. Any suggestion I can use, I appreciate it. Anyway, that's all I got for you on this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll try to have more. Now, this is on my other channel, Alan-Unleashed. I'm only allowed to do 15 minutes on it for now. Later on sometime, I'll be able to put a longer video. So I will divide this up. I'm going to put it on both my channels, just in case. So, thanks for watching. Later.